A Forest Landscape by Makran Joshi.
Hi, this video narrates the painting process of a landscape of how to paint a forest scene.
This is a bit different work compared to my other works on this channel, as this landscape depicts mostly only nature, the sky, mountains at distance, giant climbers, a water body reflecting its surroundings, a bush, stones and rocks, trees, some are green and some are dried, with only two small houses in the middle ground at some distance, and a bunch of tiny human figures, which combinedly occupy roughly not more than even 5% of the total pictorial area, sets this landscape apart from all other works on this channel, which mostly depict some kind of architectural element, some building, some human construction, or a road, or something like that. But this picture is mainly about nature. Cooler color dominate the background, while the foreground and the middle ground is dominated by more warmer colors: yellow, yellowish green, brown, or say raw sienna. Almost everywhere in this picture, I have used the wet and wet technique. You'll find more and more softer edges in the background and more of sharper edges in the middle ground and especially in the foreground. Upon observing closely, you might notice that while the foreground and the middle ground have well defined boundaries, the middle ground and the background are sort of mingled into each other. Not clear separation between them. Please watch this video till the end and leave your valuable comments below in the comment section. If you like this video, then kindly like, share, and comment. Explore my other videos on the same channel by viewing my other videos. You'll find them at the end of this video. And this is the final outcome, followed by a quick recap of the entire painting process, starting from the stage of drawing. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so by hitting the subscribe button.